Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you've probably wondered how to seamlessly transfer money from your PayPal account to your crypto wallet. Today, I'm breaking it down step by step, so you can do this quickly and securely. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're all set up. You'll need a verified PayPal account and a reliable crypto wallet like MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, or another popular one. In 2025, regulations have made things smoother, but always check for any updates in your region to avoid surprises. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account and navigate to the Wallet or Money section. Look for the Crypto tab. PayPal has integrated crypto options more directly now, making transfers easier than ever. Step 2. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy or transfer. Choose from options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or others supported by PayPal. Enter the amount of money you want to convert from your PayPal balance. Step 3. Review the exchange rate and any fees. In 2025, fees might be lower due to competition, but always double-check to ensure you're getting a good deal. Step 4. Enter your crypto wallet address. This is crucial. Copy and paste it carefully to prevent any errors, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 5. Confirm the transaction. Once you hit that button, the funds should transfer quickly, often within minutes, depending on network congestion. A few quick tips. Always use two-factor authentication for added security, and keep an eye on your wallet for incoming funds. If you run into issues, PayPal's support has improved, so don't hesitate to reach out. There you have it. That's how you transfer money from PayPal to your crypto wallet in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.